There are two black birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. P-Square, what is wrong with you again? Last year, the wahala that you people have caused us, you were the reason that girl was crying tears that you should come back together. This year again, you have decided to now be scatterbalancing everything. You want to go single. You want to go individual. You have forgotten that two of you are together. P-Square, if you go individual, I don't know you. Because you have made too much money now, your ego is now rubbing shoulder, Abi. It's rubbing shoulder. If I invite you for baby shower, let me tell you, you will be an up and coming artist. And you know how we be up and coming. We give them a plate of jollof and we give them exposure. No money. Even speed dialing, I will pay you more than I'll pay you if you go individual. If you know what is good for you, you better amalgamate. Come yourself together. As in, come back together. P-Square is what we want. No Mr. P, no rude boy. And some of you that have been doing shows you're talking about, you better mind your own business. These people already have enough money. Don't come and let them fool you. Don't come and go and fool yourself. Don't carry another person's matter on your head. Carry it on your head like this. Nonsense. Oshisco.